Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making one of the most loved Indian recipes, hot, crispy and delicious aloo stuffed paratha, perfect for breakfast or dinner. Let's get started. First I am kneading the dough. I have added Ajwain, Jeera and salt to the flour. These spices make the dough super flavorful and aromatic. I have kneaded it nice and smooth to get that perfect soft paratha texture. Now for the star of the show, the aloo filling. I have taken boiled potatoes and added chopped onion and green chilies for that amazing crunch and spice. Then I have added salt, red chili powder and coriander powder, giving it that perfect masala flavor. Mix it all together really well. Now I am making small equal sized dough balls. We call them loi in Hindi. These are the base of our paratha. Make sure they are smooth and even sized for the perfect paratha. Now the fun part, I am stuffing each dough balls with our delicious aloo masala filling. Seal it carefully so the filling stays inside. Then gently roll it out into a round paratha, not too thick, not too thin, just perfect. Now heat up your tawa on medium flame. Place the rolled paratha on the hot tawa and let it cook. Apply oil or ghee on both sides and roast it until you get those beautiful golden brown spots. The sizzling sound and aroma is just incredible. Repeat the same process for all the parathas. And there you have it, perfectly cooked crispy golden aloo stuffed parathas. Whether you are kid or an adult, everyone absolutely loves this dish. Have it for breakfast or dinner, it never disappoints. Try this recipe at home and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video. Take care and enjoy it.